This young woman at one time been just dey in serious pain with serious burns. Victoria Emmanuel, 23 years old hotel worker for Kano, na im accusation drop say dem pour her hot boiling water for Kawo on November 10, 2025. Case wey cause vex and tiebele all over. So people now still dey ask for justice. Victoria just escort her colleague, 28 years old Shadrach Michael, to go pick one or two things for her birthday when he suggest say make dem branch in house, and that na wetin come turn danger today. Shadrach girlfriend, 25 years old Chioma Michael, just land Shadrach house even after they tell am say make e no come. Na there we hear say this Chioma come boil water, pour that hot water for Victoria face, chest, back and even hand.
On the 10th of November was Victoria Emmanuel's birthday. She went to work, she didn't come back. She escorts her colleague. She's going to the market on Monday after closing from work. So Shadrach Michael asked her that you should follow him to Kawo. So he wants to pick something so that they will go to market together. Same day, so she went to the guy's house. The guy's girlfriend called him on phone that she's coming to the house. The guy tried to stop her. She refused.
After the thing happened, they no even rush Victoria go hospital or give her any medical care. They just keep her. The wound come worse overnight. Her family say one hospital even reject her because of the burning, and then the parents of this Chioma girl only contribute 16,500 naira, and they no even worry about Victoria.
They were first hospital, carry and go, they reject her. He said, why something happens is on Monday, I no carry and come after everybody eyes swell up, mouth through everything, don't they rot before. As they explain for them, they no one listen to me, be like say, I propose, keep on, they reject us before another person collect us. The father, the mother say, no. So the doctor say until they drop something, they can't drop 16,500.
Christ TV, come waka to go see Victoria on Monday as she dey recover right now from the hot water attack wey we hear say na jealousy on top girlfriend-boyfriend matter na im lead to am. Though you can still see the sign of the bonbon for her body, but her condition don better under continuous medical caring. On Monday, the two both family meet themselves for Kano Magistrate Court, and again they shift the case to January 29, 2026 with order say Chioma, wey been celebrate Christmas and New Year for detention, to continue remain inside that detention until that January 29. Christ TV fit to confirm say after some religious leaders from the both family involved for the matter, too, Victoria family now don't begin to consider say make them forgive Chioma and find other way to settle the matter. As he follow Christ TV yarn, senior brother of Victoria say their family they consider to do forgiveness instead of all this to pursue justice inside courts.
The family involved went to the religion head of it, which is our priest, and they invite us for us to dilute all the whole issue to make sure that even despite the justice, we should temper mercy, and we look into it that we are all humans. A situation like this can happen to anybody, which we did not pray for it. But after looking around of all the situation, we the family come to agree that yes, we have to sit to check if we can align together.
He confirmed say Chioma parents sef don also show say they're ready to take responsible for Victoria hospital bills.
Even announcing the medical bill, they see that we have spent a lot. They start pleading that they can't even afford to pay all the medical bills, and they pronounce the certain amount that they can be able to pay. I will say, okay, let's check if we can be able to make everything so easy so that we can withdraw the case from the court.
Though they give sense talk to Chioma parents them, saying, "May they no follow media talk. Christ said TV people come follow their lawyer, Ian." And the lawyer confirmed, say truly they do 1 or 2 yarnings to see how to settle this matter outside of court.
As you can see, we just came out from court this morning, and it has been 2 or 3 or 4 times we have appeared in court in respect of this matter since the inception of this issue. And we have mentioned the case, and we have taken another date. As we know from the purported of what is contained in the FIR, this honorable court has no jurisdiction. And I'm happy enough to say that as it is now, we are trying to resolve the matter out of court. And I'm happy that the family, the relatives are cooperating with us. And I'm happy that the victim in question, I can say, is almost 90 or 90-something% recovered. We are very happy for that.
As Victoria, they continue the recover journey, and court process they continue they drag. The case now don't sit down for waiting resemble T-junction, whether na punishment or na forgiveness, justice or been a settlement. Whether forgiveness overpass the seriousness of this burning crime, we would they talk so, now we still never know. But for now, the court don't tell all of them to come back on January 29, 2026 to continue the case, and the Chioma remain for the hand of detention. Christ said TV no go dull. We go continue to follow this case bumper to bumper. Sake of say, not be only justice must be done. We must see korokoro say justice they done.